documentary films for Doodarshan, his contributions extend beyond journalism to social initiatives through the Eastern Panorama Foundation, from being invited by former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh to serving as National Vice President of Indian Federation of Small
the Indian Institute of Mass Communication, New Delhi, and the Bureau of Parliamentary Studies and Training, Lok Sabha Secretariat. Sri Thaba's work also includes impactful contributions.
For early 3 decades, his leadership has elevated Khubor as a trusted voice in Khasi journalism, nurturing editorial standards and fostering a legacy of excellence. I would like to also mention that he is the current president of the Stories of Meghalaya. With over 3.5 decades of experience, he has worked with prestigious national and international media houses, including Sahara TV, NewsX, Times Now, TRT World, BBC,
alongside him. His career also includes photojournalism with Eastern Protection and UB Photo in Guwahati. In 2009, he founded SP News Agency, launching the first. I also like to mention that he is also the sitting member of the current KHETC.
A warm round of applause for Sri Soklat's inspiring journey, please. Next, may I invite Srimati Patricia Mukhib, editor of the Shillong Times, to please come to the stage. May I now invite Sri Philip Marway, editor, Youth Today.
Sort of takes a back seat, but it is one of the most dangerous. He organized a Gomutra party, cow urine party, where he said that we need to drink cow urine because that would help most dangerous case, which where health misinformation and communal misinformation.
Genital inspection of these trans women. Surgery is an expensive deal. It requires at least like 5 lakh rupees for you to have to go to us. By various media houses who will not verify see in Haryana, Punjab and Delhi area, where doctor-based mappings will then start looking.
There is something wrong again for a long time, but I've been told that we only have 5 minutes left.
Please translate information from research to action and make it very simple. So we have collaboration with UNICEF and.
This is an amazing way to think about it because we have Fulgida in the panel, and what she brings to the table then is.
I would like to share is that we sometimes don't realize the kind of responsibility and power that we have. When I say we, I mean you as journalists and as media people. And I think it's very important to be able to understand that responsibility and that power, because it influences the way our society is, the way our state, the way the state's affairs are held or taken care of, and how we move forward or how we move backward. And therefore I do start by reiterating the significance and the great importance of always realizing the responsibility that each and every one of you carries on your shoulder as a press person, as a journalist, as a person who is even a citizen journalist, and many areas of journalism and news reporting that today are, I should say, the definition is getting blurred and there are too many categories, but the categories are also quite not defined very properly. So that's the first thing that I would like to stress on, and I'm sure that all of you realize that whenever you are working, and whenever you have, you're writing your piece, or whenever you're interacting. But it is because of your intervention. Today we are having these programs to recognize senior journalists, people who have given their life for journalism, who have faced the challenges in difficult times with no financial support, and yet continued to do what they did because they believed in what they did, because they were passionate about what they did, and no challenge or no difficulty would bring them down. And that's really what we are trying to appreciate today by recognizing these senior journalists and